Hi and welcome back. Today I'm going to be swatching the second set of LilyCute Gel Polishes that are available on Amazon. Let's get started. All of the polishes are 8 milliliters or 0.27 fluid ounces. LC72. LC73. LC82. LC84, LC85, LC87. We cure in the lamp for 1 minute. After curing in the lamp, here are the 6 polishes. Now I'm going to apply a second coat. After curing in the lamp, we have a beautiful set of gorgeous gel polishes, neutral shades that are beautiful and classy. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye! If this is your first time visiting my channel and you like my content, I invite you to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button.